This egusi soup is what your taste buds have been craving for because it is super flavorful and so yummy. Let's cook this together. We're going to start off by cooking our protein. Over here I have some cow beef, some cow skin and some shaki. We're going to season this with some roughly blended pepper, onion, seasoning powder and salt. We're going to allow this to steam for about 5 minutes before we add our stockfish and some water. While this is cooking, I'd like to give a special shout out to Olubumo Moradike. Thank you for your active participation. In making the egusi paste, I blended the egusi seeds with some uziza seeds, yellow pepper, shombo, fresh pepper, onions and ogiri okpei. I also added some water for it to blend properly. Now I like to make my egusi paste like this because it sort of guarantees you have the traditional flavor. Okay, so now that we're done with that, our beef is ready. We're going to start by frying the egusi paste. We'll get a clean pot, add some red oil and onions to it. Once this is fried, we're going to start by coating our paste like so into the oil in order for it to fry properly. After about a minute of frying, you can start to flip like so that it doesn't get burnt, and at this point you can add some crayfish to add to the taste of your paste. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my already cooked protein and I'm going to add some more cow skin and some dry fish. I'm going to stir this, add some water to it and season this to taste. You can add some more crayfish if you so desire like me, and then mix this thoroughly till everything is combined. Allow this to cook before you go in with your vegetable. Here I use two types of vegetables. I use the ugu and uziza leaves. Okay, now your egusi soup is ready. Let me know if you'll be trying this in the comment section.